This is Chris with Goodland Plumbing. Today's date is December 2nd, 2025. Time is about 12:45. Again, this is take 2 for Pebble Creek HOA on the block of buildings, which is 5056 Birchwood Drive, I think all the way to maybe 5042. But that chunk of buildings that experienced a backup during Thanksgiving or the day after. We have now moved out to the ABS cleanout on the exterior building on the west side of 5056. Right now we're about 43 feet out at the Y connection, tying in with the kind of the trunk line running down the street. 4-inch clay. We're going to be going against flow. So it's going to be hard to see right here for somebody that's not used to looking at cameras, but on the right side of the screen kind of looks like a Y connection. We're going to swoop around a turn right now, so it's not going to get the full picture of it, but to me it looks like a fitting right there on the right side of the screen. Unknown what is tying in. It looks like it's on the right side, which would still be on the same side that we are. And now we turn and we're headed straight towards 5056. I mean, we might have some slight root intrusion here at the top at about 13 feet. And at about 7 feet, we got another Y tie-in, which will be on the left side of the pipe. Unknown what that is for. And here we have either a test Y or a possible clay cleanout, which is, right outside, right after our ABS cleanout. Our transition from clay to ABS, coming up our clean out. So here's our clean out here. You see 3'8" in depth, ABS to clay. So in comparison to our clean out, this is where our that first Y connection is at about 3'5". You can see my flags. That's the direction that it comes straight out, and then it turns and goes at a diagonal and that's our connection at about 3'3" in depth. That other Y connection is right here, but the Y looks like it's coming this way. Unknown what that one is for, but this is our Y connection where I believe it heads down this way. I tried to get some locations down here, but I think we were getting interference with electrical. I would assume there's a clean out on this chunk of buildings that I'm assuming comes out and ties in with this Y somewhere over in this area. End of video.